Morning Facebook. So this morning I want to show you how to eat cascadura. So I'm having sada roti, I have a coffee as usual, and my cascadu. You understand? So this is the cascadu head here, right? The most favorite part in cascadu. You understand? You dip it, and you just suck it. You just suck the head. This part of the cascadu, money can't pay for this. Okay. And then you crunch the top. And try to get everything okay. Understand? Everything. Yeah. That is it. You see this scale? The scale is like this. Right? Dip it in the sauce. And suck that. That's what we talk about. That is fish. Breakfast Thursday morning. I just want to show you the cascado. Some of you might think the fish. One man complain about the cooler dirty. One man complain about the fish too small. Cascado don't get more than 5-6 inches. But you see, when you grow up in the city and you know about the countryside, don't talk. If we fishing in the river and the cooler dirty, it's because we by the river, dummy. Think before you talk your high education, you have no common sense. Good thing I don't have common sense and no education. You understand? You say the cooler dirty. Watch where we dey. And next one see a tar by the river and say, clean up the place. Is that a shutter tree inside the cooler? Is the countryside we dey? Have a blessed morning. And I bring up my little young dog and them for a walk. I may know too much about river and I don't worry, I have no lap and thing. This is tongue side, not countryside, eh? I may know what they're looking for, but it's trouble. And you see the father dog in front, I the killer. Oops. You see a bison there, back. Okay. Bull versus dog. Okay, don't take that chance. And you see how the father dog is operating in the bush, how he's sprinting. We see them young ones. Ooh, there's trouble. Remember the original lap dog and them home, eh? Waba and the other one, the killer, cutthroat in front. Leading these young dog and them on the strike here. Teaching them about river. And how it is be done. They say want them to go too far before you get them back. Oh cool, look, I'm going through the river there, boy. Well, tight trouble there. Lap dead. Yeah, straight in the river. That is what I want. Thirsty dog. Don't get afraid to get wet. And there's trouble here. I remember in my backyard, right down on lap here. Hunting season closed. Most of my bunks up is a little alligator. Aye. And what about strike down there? This dog just put up thing and there's fine thing in the bush now. Where you find there, Waba? Killer? And you see how killer is upright. He all thirsty, dirty, muddy. And I have my dogs in them. They have for the water. Young dog, young dog. Dog never even see forest as yet. This is the cone here. I trade last year. Past 7 months old. Good. The pen. Aye. These two dogs, the price just gone up. The first encounter, a mad bull. And the pen. Look at like right here now in the bush here. Oh God. And the cone is going on the attack too. Here the cone on the attack. How the fox here where I buy the last dog. You're a little shy, but going into. This dog first time they see Yeah, that's small young bull. Young heifer. I hear in the throat. That is it. Go on him. Find him. And that is how them dogs and them. You have to train your dogs. Big animals, small animal. Go into them, run into them. And cutthroat on the attack day. And cutthroat. Cutthroat do business, you know. Cutthroat are going on the throat. Alright, let me get this. Stop this action here before cutthroat bust the throat. So this is your boy Hard Ground. And Hard Ground at the volcano. Diggity Trace. Some people say Backpaw. Some people say Moist Road. But it's in the middle. 5 minutes from where I live. So anytime you're in South or you want a tour the volcano, you want to get a little tour, you could hook up with Hard Grounds. And even if you want to go Bunsey Trace, or if you want to go, you want an Edward Trace, just link with me. And you can see the mud here, lava, flowing like water. And that is it. Soft, not get hard. That is the top of the volcano here. 15 feet in height. And that is it here. Sheds and things to make up corporation, corporation, just keep up, maintain the place, which is good. But it's the people who just come and keep it in a mess. Watch, but rubbish. But the grass flow, which is good. I mean, the equipment is, you know, every week somebody does come and clean. And there's a tourist attraction place too. So if you want, you know, a better view of the volcano, this is your boy Hard Ground. And give you a tour, either here, Bunsey Trace, or even Edward Trace. Edward Trace, yeah, Edward Trace, in the forest. About 10 minutes walk into the jungle, real jungle. You could hook up with me. Send me a message and we could link. Bless.